Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a Roblox top hat avatar. So I just go to catalog avatar, go to catalogs for this, go to featured, and type in top hat. Select whichever one you like. I like this pink one. It does protrude, like the hair does protrude, but you can change it once you've purchased it in the accessories. This one doesn't. As you can see, you can kind of set your outfit to whatever you like, but I really like mine is the like Jack in the Box kind of outfit vibe. Here is what I used. Hold on, let me go to the saved outfit actually. And if you see, I have this on. I have these outfits on for the body. I use this. Let me know if you want a tutorial on this kind of body, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.